Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about the Forest River Salem Hemisphere line of travel trailers and fifth wheels. Salem Hemisphere has a lot going for it, including excellent construction in 25 different floor plan options. 15 travel trailers are in two unique brands, Salem Hemisphere Hyperlight and Salem Hemisphere GLX. They run an overall length from 27 foot all the way up to 39 foot. In weight, Salem Hemisphere travel trailers tip the scales in dry weight from slightly under 4,800 pounds all the way up to just over 8,400. Regarding fifth wheels, the Hemisphere has two unique brands, the GLX and the Elite. These 10 fifth wheels range from 34 feet to 44 feet and have dry weights from over 8,500 pounds to just over 12,600. As far as floor plans, let's hit the 15 travel trailers first. Of the 15, 7 of them are bunkhouses. In the Hemisphere Hyperlight line, you have 4 options. If you're partial to a double bunk setup on the campsite, then take a look at the 23 or 24 BHHL. Both have a large living room slide containing a U-shaped dinette as well, with the 23 adding the fridge. If you want to walk around queen bed, choose the 23 BHHL as the 24 utilizes a versatile Murphy bed system. If you want to have a more private bunk room, both the 26 and 29 BHHL have bunk rooms with solid pocket doors. The 26 has double bunks, while the 29 has a quad bunk system that includes a convertible dinette. Both the 26 and the 29 BHHL have a walk-around queen bed, plus a large living room slide housing the U-shaped dinette and trifold sofa. The 3 bunkhouse models in the Hemisphere GLX line consist of the 300BH, 314 BUD, and 322BH. Every one of them has 2 slides, the first being in the living room with a trifold sofa and dinette, and the second housing bunks. They also each have a master bedroom with solid privacy doors and a walk-around queen bed. The 300BH and 314 BUD each have a bunk room with a pair of twin bunks, a twin bed, and a trundle bed. But the 314 BUD has a bath and a half to help create a master suite up front. It also has 2 entries, one straight into the half bath. The 322 BH also is a bath and a half floor plan, with its bunk room having the twin trundle trio on one side of the camper. The 300 BH is the only one of the 3 with a kitchen island. For couples who love to camp, there are 3 rear bath floor plans in the Hyperlight line. The 22, 23, and 25 RBHL. Each has a rear bath covering most or all of the rear wall. Both the 22 and 25 RBHL are similar, with each having a roomy L-shaped kitchen and a single living area slide. The 22 is a dinette chase lounge combo plus the fridge in its slide, whereas the 25 slide holds the dinette and theater seats. The 23 RBHL has a slightly smaller living area slide that contains a trifold sofa, but its kitchen comes with a larger kidney-shaped countertop and a pair of stools. The remainder of the travel trailer floor plans are all rear living models. The Salem Hemisphere Hyperlight line has the 24 RKHL and the 26 RLHL. The 24 RK is the camping cook's dream, as the kitchen covers the entire rear wall and has a spacious L-shaped countertop. The bathroom is adjacent to the master bedroom and has a solid door for privacy. The 26 RL is all about camping comfort with 2 swivel chairs on the rear wall, plus there's a large living area slide containing a trifold sofa and dinette. The 26 RLHL has 2 entries, one of which is a private entry into the master bedroom. The GLX line has 3 rear living floor plans, the 273 RL, 283 RK, and 326 RL. The 273 RL has 2 large opposing slides in the living area. The campsite slide contains an entertainment center fireplace combo and most of the kitchen. Opposite that sits a slide with theater seating and a dinette. A kitchen island sits between the slides, and a trifold sofa covers the entire rear wall. The 283 RK has a single campsite slide just like the 273 RL, but the 283 RK has an impressive large L-shaped kitchen in the back, plus a pair of swivel chairs. The 326 RL features 3 slides. It has the opposing living area slide similar to the 273, but has a bedroom slide that contains a king bed. The master bedroom also has a large walk-in closet. Designed for ultimate relaxation, the 326RL has an entertainment center and fireplace resting along the back wall. That wraps up the travel trailers. Let's move on to the fifth wheels. Of the 10 Salem Hemisphere fifth wheels, 5 of them are bunkhouse or bunkhouse style floor plans, and all of those are in the GLX line. All of them also have virtually the same master suite layout: a custom king bed on a slide, wardrobe closet with washer and dryer prep, and a large adjacent bath. First, let's look at the traditional bunkhouse, the 356QB. This floor plan is a true 2-bath model with 4 beds in the bunkhouse. The rear bath has a rear entrance for easy access. The 356QB has a total of 4 slides to drastically open up the interior. The next 4 bunk models have bunks in loft spaces. The 295BH has a double bunk system in the back with 1 in a loft with additional loft storage. A large living area slide holds the tri-fold sofa and dinette to accommodate space for the L-shaped kitchen. The 295BH also has an exterior kitchen. The 369BL and 370BL are both mid-bunk units with kitchen islands, theater seating across from the TV, rear sofas, and outside kitchen options. The 369 has the kitchen on the off-door side, whereas the 370 has the kitchen on the camp side, and the storage options change a little as well. The final non-traditional bunkhouse is the 378FL. FL standing for front living, and it certainly fits the bill with a large 2-slide front area containing a pair of tri-fold sofas, theater seating, and an impressive entertainment center with a fireplace covering the front wall. But the 378FL also has a unique twin bunk mat loft space above the custom king bed in the rear bedroom. 2 more slides in the large kitchen leave plenty of room to maneuver around the kitchen island. That covers the family models. Let's switch to couples models, starting with the 286RL. This layout features a kitchen island, a tri-fold sofa across from the freestanding dinette, and a pair of swivel chairs, all packed into a 34-foot floor plan. The 338BAR features a ton of kitchen space thanks to the kitchen island, midship range, and bar area with prep space in between the pantry and fridge. The non-campside slide is massive, including the pantry, fridge, entertainment center, and curio cabinets. It also has a rear tri-fold sofa, and directly across from the entertainment center is theater seating and a freestanding dinette. If you love the front living layout but want more exterior storage and campsite space, then check out the 372RD. This rear den has an elevated rear living space with 2 tri-fold sofas plus tons of storage outside. The final 2 Salem Hemisphere fifth wheel floor plans are the Hemisphere Elite models, the 34RL and 36FL. Both are luxury full profile fifth wheels. The 34RL is close to 40 feet, has a tri-fold sofa on the rear wall and a kitchen island with dual opposing slides, similar in scope to that of the 338BAR in the living area. The master bath is quite functional thanks to the double bowl vanity sinks. The 36FL, which is nearly 44 feet of camp-style living, has the front living and large kitchen look of the 378FL, but has a bath and a half. This allows for a true master suite that runs nearly 15 feet in length on the back end, plus a unique perpendicular slide-out outside kitchen. Now that we've covered the floor plans available, let's talk about some of the special features on the Salem Hemisphere line. For starters, they're all built on Dexter axles with aluminum wheels for excellent towability and great-looking wheels for years to come. 30-inch main entry doors are also standard, so it's easier to load and unload your RV, and there are backers built into the rear wall if you would like a ladder installed, so you can easily climb onto the fully walkable roof. Larger 15K BTU AC units are standard in Salem Hemisphere fifth wheels. Fifth wheels also have the second AC prep with 50 amp service and washer and dryer prep. As soon as you step inside, your eye is immediately drawn to the kitchen thanks to the elegant solid surface countertops, large deep bowl residential sink with high arc pull down sprayer faucet, plus gorgeous solid wood cabinet fronts with brushed nickel hardware. The refrigerator is a 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt stainless steel Everchill unit, or the Elite's massive 22 cubic foot stainless steel French door unit. All Salem Hemisphere models utilize aluminum frame vacuum bonded construction sidewalls with a gel coat fiberglass for a beautiful and durable exterior. Regarding travel trailers, they also have a full wraparound front cap, which you don't see on many travel trailers. You'll be hard-pressed to find a travel trailer and fifth wheel line with more floor plan choices than Forest River's Salem Hemisphere. This impressive lineup has something for nearly everyone, plus has top-of-the-line amenities standard to make your outdoor adventures the ultimate in camping comfortable. It's easy to see why so many people choose a Salem Hemisphere.